In this tutorial, I will show you how to do basic photogrammetry cleanup. First, let's select a part of the city photogrammetry we want to remake, so we aren't working on a Blender file with millions of vertices. In object mode, in the wireframe mode, let's select a part of the photogrammetric model. Copy it with Ctrl+C. Let's paste it into a new session. This is the same building in Google Maps. Let's screenshot the balconies to start creating a texture. Remove the perspective tilt. I will personally use Photoshop and use the film camera RAW, press Shift-T. Select upward facing lines. You can also do it with inbuilt Samsung photo editing. Copy a part that will be tiled many times. When we flip it in the x-axis, we can symmetrize the edges of the image to make it tileable. Do the same for the store facades. Once we are looking at the model in bird's eye view, we are ready to start modeling. Press Shift-S and select Cursor to selected. Now, when we add a plane, it will land close to the selected part of the photogrammetric model. Let's place it on the edge of the building's roof. Now in the edit mode, let's start extending and extruding the edges. Now in the edit mode, let's start extending and extruding the edges. When we press KCAO keys in order, we enable the knife tool in X-ray mode. Let's place a cut by pressing twice and apply it by pressing Enter. Now when we select two edges, we can bridge edge loops to connect the edges. We can extrude two edges at the same time. Now let's select the entire roof structure and extrude it along the Z-axis, and extrude it again so there's space for our two texture types, the store facades below and the balconies. We can comfortably remove the photogrammetry now. Let's add a new material. Select an image texture and select the balconies texture we made earlier. Now let's select the faces appropriate for the balcony texture. Press U to change the UV mapping of the texture and select Project from View Bounds. In the UV editor, let's scale the texture upon the Y-axis to make it not stretched. Now select two faces that are extended on the X-axis. Press F3 and type Select Similar Normal. Project from Bounds the texture again. Make sure to deselect the first floor by holding Ctrl while making a selection. Assign the store facade's texture to the bottom faces of the building. Repeat the earlier steps we did to unwrap the balcony textures. Let's add a new texture for the roof. You should unwrap it with Project from View. We can add some details to the facades. Let's cut out this window with the knife tool. Always begin the cuts from edges to keep clean topology.
Listen, everybody. These are all very secret monster things. But we're gonna tell
Select the faces and extrude them backwards. Let's improvise a bit with the tools in the edit mode.
I'm 3.
You can select multiple edges while holding Alt when selecting.